This is the Mary Stain Remover stick, and it was gifted to me by the brand. I wanted to walk you through what comes inside and how it works. Inside the package, you get the stain remover stick itself along with the built-in scrub base underneath. The design is compact and refillable, which I really like because it feels less wasteful than constantly replacing the entire bottle. The stick format makes it easy to apply directly onto a specific stain instead of pouring or spraying product everywhere. It's small enough to keep in your laundry room, take while traveling, or even toss into a diaper bag for quick messes. The brand describes it as a non-toxic stain remover that works on things like food, grass, ink, markers, and even tougher everyday stains. I also like that the scrub base is included, so you don't have to go find a separate brush or towel for friction. Here, I'm using it on a white headband that had wild blueberry stains on it. I start by wetting the fabric first and then placing the scrub base underneath for support. After that, I rub the stick directly on the stained area. You can see the product working into the fabric as I gently scrub. After rinsing it out, the headband looked noticeably brighter and cleaner than before. I've used quite a few stain removers over the years, and this one really impressed me in this test. If you're looking for a compact, targeted stain remover that's easy to use, this is definitely one to check out.